Hello IG Garage family. Is your check engine light on with the P0197 code? That means your engine oil temperature or EOT sensor is reporting a low voltage signal. Ignoring this issue can lead to incorrect oil temperature readings, poor engine performance, and even increased wear on engine components. But don't worry, today I'll explain what P0197 means, where to find the affected sensor, and how to fix it quickly. Stick around because this could save you from costly engine damage. The P0197 trouble code indicates that the engine oil temperature sensor is reading a voltage level that is just too low. The EOT sensor helps monitor engine oil temperature and provides data to the ECU for efficient operation. A low voltage reading usually means the sensor is detecting a colder than expected oil temperature, which could be due to a faulty sensor, wiring issues, or even an actual problem with the engine oil temperature. Symptoms of P0197 include the check engine light coming on, poor fuel efficiency, hard starting, or a rough idle and incorrect oil temperature readings on your dashboard, if your vehicle is equipped with that feature. So, let's talk about the common causes of P0197. First up, a faulty engine oil temperature sensor is, honestly, the most common reason for incorrect voltage readings. Next, wiring or connector issues. Yeah, corroded or damaged wiring can definitely cause those low voltage signals. Third, engine oil problems. If the oil is contaminated or degraded, it can really mess with the sensor's accuracy. And finally, there's the ECU malfunction, which is rare, but sometimes the ECU just isn't processing the sensor signal correctly. Alright, so where can you actually find the engine oil temperature sensor? Well, it's typically located near the oil filter or right on the engine block. In some vehicles, it might even be part of the oil pressure sensor assembly. And just so you know, it has a wiring harness that connects it directly to the ECU. Now about the wiring and connectors. The sensor is linked to the ECU with a 2 or 3 wire harness. Any kind of damage, corrosion, or even just a loose connection can totally cause a low voltage issue. Okay, so first, you'll want to inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for any loose, damaged, or corroded connections. If you find any damaged wires, go ahead and repair or replace them as needed. Next up, test the EOT sensor with a multimeter. Just disconnect the sensor and measure its resistance. If the resistance is out of the manufacturer's specifications, then you'll need to replace the sensor. Now, check the engine oil. Make sure the oil level is correct and that it's clean. If it's not, you might need to perform an oil change using the recommended oil type. If the sensor fails testing, replace it with an OEM or high-quality aftermarket part. After that, clear the code and take the car for a test drive. Use an obd2 scanner to clear the P0197 code and then drive for a few miles to make sure the check engine light doesn't come back on. So that's how you fix P0197 and keep your engine running smoothly. Fixing this issue will really help maintain proper oil temperature readings and, honestly, prevent long-term engine damage. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car repair tips from IG Garage. Also, be sure to check out these related videos. P0127, intake air temperature too high, and P0128, coolant thermostat below regulating temperature. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.